Hello and welcome to The Foodie, and I am Sid Kuller. Today we're going to be making some delicious aromatic butter garlic prawns. Butter garlic prawns are a really simple, really delicious recipe. Just needs a few ingredients which are butter, garlic and prawns. So let's get started. So if you come across a prawn like this is what a clean prawn looks like. At the top here is the head, here is a tail, यहाँ पर there'll be a covering and the legs will be over here. All of that needs to go. The first step is to melt some butter. Now at a somewhat lowish temperature, without the butter really smoking, we'll add some garlic to this. Gently saute the garlic a little. And if you're wondering how is this healthy, remember health is not an absolute quantity. It's something that's relative. There's really very little that's called healthy. It's almost always healthier. Which means what we have to do is have our indulgences and have our healthier foods in equal measure, do a bit of exercise, lay around a bit. It's all really a balance. The lovely aromas of the butter and the garlic frying inside it is right now hitting my nostrils. That means it's time to put in the prawns. We are done with the prawns now. अब इसके ऊपर हम डालेंगे थोड़ा सा नमक, थोड़ा सा मिर्च, a little bit of coriander and some maida. Why are we putting the maida? I'll just come to that. I always love to watch prawns cooking, man. Don't they look pretty? Orange and pink and they smell even better. Okay, now a little bit of coriander for a splash of color and a dash of freshness. We are using this as an appetizer today, इसलिए मैं इसको थोड़ा सा thicken करना चाहता हूँ. Otherwise, if you want to use it for dinner, just go ahead and add it to your pasta. It'll taste brilliant. Remember, you only have to use a pinch of flour. Thicken बहुत हो जाएगा उसी से. We don't need much more than that. I've switched off the gas now. One twist of lemon and we're ready to eat. So here we are, a lovely delicious plate of butter garlic prawns. The butter and the garlic together smells absolutely brilliant. और उसके साथ में जब prawns का aroma आता है तब तो बात ही कुछ और है. I know you're going to absolutely love them for your dinner or for the snack that this is. And when you do give me a comment.
Today in my kitchen, I'm going to make something that is one of my favorites. It's actually one of my favorite seafood and it is prawn. And I've decided to make prawn koli vada for today's lunch. Prawn koli vada is basically spicy fried prawns. It's famous in Maharashtra, especially in Mumbai. And this is the first time I'm going to try it in my kitchen. So let's get cooking. So I have 500 to 600 grams of prawn here. And the first step is to marinate it. So I'm going to start my marination. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt to taste. Red chili powder, some cumin powder, and then I'm just gonna mix all of this together. You can use your hand. Make sure that all the pieces are coated well. I'm going to leave the prawns for about half an hour, and now we'll start making the batter. So for that we need 1 tablespoon of besan and we need 1 tablespoon of refined flour. I think I'll add a little more besan because the quantity is more, so you can adjust accordingly. Then I am going to add about 1.5 tablespoon of curd. So here it goes. And I'm gonna add some Kashmiri red chili powder. And I'm gonna mix all of this together now to form a nice paste. I'm just gonna add a little more water because you know it's getting dry, so I'll just add a little water. I've made the batter and as you can see it is nice and thick. If you feel like you know it's too thick or it's dried up, you can just add water as and when needed. So our batter is ready and I'll just let the prawns rest for a little while more. Also, I'm just gonna add a little more salt to my batter just for the taste, and I'm also adding red food coloring. It's optional, you don't have to add it, but I'm gonna add it, you know, to give the prawns a nice color, you know, the rich red color. I added the red food color and I've mixed it well. It's completely alright if you skip this step, it's not compulsory. But I've just given it for the color. The next step is to fry the prawns. So I'm gonna heat some oil in a kadai, and once you know it's heated up, I'm going to add the prawns. The next step is to coat the prawns with the batter. So I'm gonna take a prawn and I'm gonna coat it with the batter. And I'm going to do this with all the prawns. Make sure it's well coated so that you know all the flavors you get. I've coated the prawns and I'm going to add this one by one to the oil. So let's start frying. I'm going to fry these until they're golden brown. As you can see, this has formed a nice color and the prawns are ready. So I'm going to take them out in a plate. My prawns koli vada is ready. I've taken them out in a tissue paper so that it soaks up all the excess oil. This is how the prawn koli vadas look and I love the color and I cannot wait to dig in. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.